Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to extract tables from PDFs into Excel in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in this video I will show you how to extract tables from PDF files into Excel files in Claude Cowork. First of all, we will connect to the folder, we will create a simple PDF file with some tables, and later we will ask AI to convert it into Excel format. So let's start the video with connecting our Cowork to the folder. So I will choose a different folder here. I will go into documents and I will go into Cloud folder. I will press on select folder and now I am connected. So we can move to creating our PDF files, our PDF file. So we have to write a simple prompt. So for example, create a professional 2-page business report PDF for a fictional company. And now what we need to include, for example, a monthly revenue table, a regional sales table, for example. We will add two more, for example, so a product performance table, product like this, and an employee KPI table like this. Now we will add use clean corporate formatting with section titles and realistic data like this formatting. And we'll add export the final, or maybe no, put the final document as a PDF in connected folder like this. Formatting, and now it should work. So we will just press enter. This is only we have to create this PDF file because I don't have it. So first of all, we are running, of course, the skill, the PDF skill. It will create the simple PDF file, and then we will ask to convert it into the Excel file, the Excel spreadsheet. So we are running the skill, loading some tools. First of all, the model is thinking what he should do. So as you can see, we have to wait a bit. It's necessary in order to create this file because first of all, the AI model needs to create a plan that will appear here in a second. We will have here the creating PDF file, save PDF file, and some other things. But right now we are in the thinking process. And now, as you can see, we are creating the file right there at the bottom. And we are in another step, which is created a generate report.python file. And here you have the report in there. And the report is ready. As you can see, this task is simple, so we don't need the plan that I was talking about at the beginning, but we have the page 1, page 2, and something like this. So view a report, and we have the tables right there. And now we'll use this PDF file to extract it and create the Excel workbook. So extract all tables from PDF file from connected folder. Or maybe not like this. Oh no, I think that's right. So into an Excel workbook. So extract all tables from PDF file from connected folder into an Excel workbook, and we will add some requirements. So requirements like this, and we will add separate work sheet for each table. We'll add preserve headers. We'll add preserve table structure, and maybe we'll add clear sheet names. And I think that's enough. We can press enter, and now we again have to wait for our AI model to first of all run a skill. In that case, because we are converting from PDF into XLSX format, which is the Excel spreadsheet format, we are actually using two skills, as you can see, PDF and XLSX. Again, we are running the skill, running the command, we are creating the file. Again, we will have to wait a bit in order to make it work, but again, it is necessary. Now the model will find the tables inside of this PDF file and convert them into the Excel format. So this is how does it work. So we have created PDF to Excel Python file, which will be used to create the new Excel file. As you can see, all 4 tables extracted perfectly. Here is your workbook. We can open that, and we have the information. We have the first table right there. We have the second table, but I need to like this. We have the first table, second table, third table, and fourth table, and I think they are the same as in the, but not this, but as in the PDF file. So this is how you can do it. Of course, you can open it in Excel. You can edit this every number in there. Everything is working fine. So this is how you can extract tables from PDFs into Excel in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.